Okay, today we work with the book. Empezamos con el warm up. Estábamos viendo esto. This sports. Pues tenemos soccer, baseball, math is a sport. All right, it's a school subject. History is school subject. Basketball, sport. Tennis, sport. PE. What's PE? Physical education. English. Uh-oh. De este lado también. Ok. That's it. Después estuvimos trabajando con este de aquí. Este ejercicio donde estuvimos contestando conforme al audio
Hi,
que tenemos
Mason.
aquí.
How are you? How was your day today?
Not bad. Busy. It's a Tuesday, so I had math this morning. I love math, but it was really difficult today. We started learning about algebra.
That sounds hard, but I'm sure you did your best. What are you doing tonight?
Well, I'm going to my music lesson. I have lessons every Tuesday. I'm learning to play the clarinet.
That's great. And where's your sister?
She's out at drama club.
Oh, yes. She loves acting, doesn't she?
Yes, she does. She's getting really good at acting now.
And what about your brother? Where's he? Can I speak to him?
No, sorry. Danny's at chess club. His chess team are going to be in a competition soon, so he has to practice a lot.
Wow. Everyone is busy. Bye, Mason.
Ok, con ese audio lo pudimos contestar y después teníamos este ejercicio donde teníamos que poner time phrase. No, este no es. Ok. Ok. Esos son los ejercicios que estuvimos haciendo. Time phrases, sports and hobbies. Esto ya lo vamos a hacer en la siguiente clase, pero todo relacionado a ese role play que teníamos, que es lo que van a estar practicando los alumnos el día de mañana con un compañero. Ya lo vamos a hacer en práctica haciendo este role play, ¿ok? Eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Nos vemos el día de mañana. See you later, guys. Have a great night. Bye, bye.